Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this episode, we are going to make an amazing granola. Definitely my favorite granola recipe. It's very simple to make. Homemade granola tastes so much better in my opinion, and the good thing is you can put in whatever you like. So for the base, what I'm going to do is I'm putting the oats, some agave syrup. I'm going to write down all the ingredients along with the quantities. You can substitute this with honey or maple syrup if you would like. You can put in sugar too, but granola is something that's super healthy, so a natural sweetener will be better. Chia seeds, coconut oil, some cinnamon, which will give it a good taste and also keep you full for a long time. Some vanilla extract. And I'm adding hazelnuts, but you can add in pistachios, walnuts, whatever you want. I'm giving everything a good mix. Make sure that all the dry ingredients are in here combined with the coconut oil and the agave syrup. And I'm going to transfer this to an oven tray that has a parchment paper on top. You can make this in larger quantities and keep it at a glass jar with a lid on, and it will keep for some time. I enjoy it mostly with milk, but then sometimes on my yogurt as well. And I'm spreading it out in a thin layer. The thinner, it will be more crunchier. And this quantity is perfect if you live alone or if you're just two people. You want to keep freshly baked granola on hand. And it's perfect. I'm going to put this in the oven that has been preheated to 170 Celsius degrees. I'm going to keep it in the oven for about 17 minutes. But after 10 minutes, I'm going to take it out, give it a quick stir so that everything is cooked evenly. And after 17 minutes, we're going to continue with the next step. Look how golden it looks. It's been 17-18 minutes. And now I'm going to add the coconut. I'm going to give everything another stir. And I'm going to pop this in the oven for an additional of 3 minutes. Just so that the coconut is a little bit toasted too. We don't want to toast it too much. It burns easily. 3 minutes will be enough. And then it will be nearly ready. And once I see the coconut is toasted, and this really takes about 3 minutes, it's time to add in the dried fruit. I usually love making this with dried pineapples, but at the supermarket today they were out, so I switched for dried kiwis instead, which I think is going to go great. So I'm adding a couple tablespoons of dried kiwi, giving everything another good mix. And I'm going to wait for 15 minutes. If you wait longer, the longer you wait, the crunchier it's going to get, until it's completely cool down, and then it will be time to give it a taste. And once the granola is cooled down and it's crunchy like this, I'm going to put some on my bowl, some milk, and top it off with some fresh fruit. Some small strawberries known as Ottoman strawberries, which grow in the northern region of Turkey. They're very, very delicious. Can't wait to give this a taste. And if you're ever in Turkey, make sure to look for these Ottoman strawberries. They're very, very, very delicious. It's toasted to the perfect point. The sweetness of it is ideal for me. It's definitely not too sweet. I like it with kiwis, but if you can find dried pineapples go best in my opinion. And it's just a great way to start your morning, or if you're ever hungry during the day, something to munch on, something healthy to munch on. I hope you guys enjoy it too. If you do try, don't forget to leave your comments down below, and do subscribe to my channel for delicious, easy recipes. Hope to see you next time. Bye!